This is bad food. I'm Matt, and these are the recipes that just escaped from the state penitentiary. Once again, it's time for the holidays. Mirth making, binging on food. Sometimes food makes it onto this channel, not because it's necessarily bad. As you'll see today with these two dishes, one is not good, the other one is just very suggestive, if you know what I mean. Now I swear, if you delinquents are too immature and I hear any snickering out there, you're gonna find a permanent seat at the kids' table. You do need a wipey wipe there? Alright, let's get started with the first thing. So we're just gonna have to get rid of, well, three ingredients. So, we are going to be creating the not so classic holiday experience known as Pears Jubilee from an unknown magazine in the late 1960s. You will need pear halves in heavy syrup, sharp cheddar cheese, sprinkle cheese, and the great maraschino cherries. Alright, let's pop those bad boys open. This recipe is so lazy, it's bad. This tries to steal the idea of taking sharp cheddar cheese away from the warm apple pie and applying it to a cold canned pear. Not good, Chachi. Alright, let's get started. Bam! Now you know why we have two today, because this is so fast, it's going to make your head spin, and we wouldn't have much of a vlog if we didn't. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these pear halves. Oh, they're so squishy. Oh, great value. Very, this one's loose. It's loose! Alright, we got one. You want to place them like they're halfway. Oh man, what is up with these guys? Put them on a plate like so. Bam. Two halves there, like it looks like you halved them yourself. And then all it is, oh look, cheddar sprinkle cheese. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And then we take one maraschino cherry. We half it. We apply it. Oh! Pears Jubilee, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, some food stylist in a magazine back in the 60s thought this was a good idea. There's kids watching, you might want to move them to the other room, because we are going to make the much maligned and jeered holiday candle salad. What you will need for the holiday candle salad is that same jar of maraschino cherries for garnish, 1 can of whipped cream, preferably real cream, 1 can of pineapple slices drained, and 1 nanner. So basically what's going to happen, this is going to be super quick too. So we take our nanner and we find the spot, boom, nanner just died. Sorry, nanner. I'm only making a little guy because I want to someday be monetized by YouTube and not be known as a provocative channel. Alright, here we go. So all we're going to do is we're going to grab ourselves a pineapple ring. Boom, boom, boom. So we got ourselves a pineapple ring and we place it on the center of the plate like so. Oh, I see it. Oh, jeez. We take our whipped cream and we just fill the center here like so, and you'll see why that's going to secure the base. And then we're just going to go around the outside, I don't have the patience to do the ribbon tonight. Then you take said banana and you go pow right there. Yep, you take this like so. Oop, little whipped cream hit the top like that. Alright, let's just bam, like that. And then you're supposed to take 1 maraschino cherry, once again halved, and place it on top. And there is your holiday candle salad. So let me get them up here. So, oh yeah, see, there you go. Oh, let me, yeah, nothing. I'm not even gonna eat that because I want to remain on YouTube. No, I am not going to eat the holiday salad. It's messy now. We know what pineapple tastes like. We know what whipped cream tastes like. We know what cherry and bananas taste like. I want to be able to make money from this channel someday. We are family friendly here. So, because let's face it, this, when your aunt brought it over, if you were unlucky enough, that was the 800-pound gorilla in the room. So let me go into the pears. Absolutely horrific. It's just canned pears with cheese. Sharp cheese. The cherry, which is just mess. All kinds of mess. This is terrible. Whoever thought of this should be locked away.